Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you guys. As you can see, my hair is just now looking crazy, but I got a video and this is my tutorial of how I do my slick back ponytails and, you know, get my hair all popping and whatnot. But anyways, y'all, let's get right into the video. Alright y'all, I am done. Slicked back my ponytail. I did my edges. They're not all that, but you know, it's the best I can do for right now. And I have my edges on this side. I'm mad that you can't really see how it looks like. You have to see it in person. In person is really pretty, I feel like. Anyways, I feel like I am too... Wait a minute, y'all. Hold on one sec. Alright, y'all. Let me move this chair out to that. But I did my edges on this side. Ponytail, the hair might see like this. Man, got stuff all on my shoulder because this. But anyways, y'all, this is not a good tutorial, but it's something. I want to show you how I do my slick back ponytails when I'm just, you know, being casual, or I don't want to, you know, do my hair all up and stuff like that. But I like it. But y'all, anyways, I'm gonna do better on my hair tutorial videos, but feel free to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Anyways, y'all, tune in for next Saturday, and I want to thank you all for watching. See you later.